In this lesson, we're gonna talk about JavaScript data types and the typeof operator. Here's a list of the most important data types in JavaScript, and those are numbers, strings, booleans, objects, and arrays. First, the number. Number represents both integer and floating point numbers. For example, 1 or 0, minus 13, 7.5, minus 4, minus 30.5. I mean any number that you want. For example, 100, 200, 250. Second is a string. String represents a sequence of characters like hello or hello world or my name is HeroDev. Third is a boolean. Boolean represent either true or false. Now let's go to our code editor and take a quick look at data types. First, let's go with numbers. Number, as I have mentioned, those are like 1 or even minus 5 or any number that you want. Let's check it. Let's create a console.log. For example, 5. Here we can see here a 5. If we want to get the type of it, just type this word, typeof. Look, it's log a number, so the type of 5 is a number. If we just type minus 5, it's still number. If you want type minus 5.5, it's still number. Second is string. And to define string in JavaScript, you need to use one of those 3 methods. You need to add a double quotation like this, or single quotation like those, or backticks, 2 backticks like that. Here you can type whatever you want. For example, you can type your name. For example, Ahmed, or hello world, like this. The type of this is a string. Here you can log the type of this 2 words, and the type of them are string because we put them in single quotation. If we remove them, we have here a syntax error. So you need to add them in single quotation or double quotations or those 2 backticks. Here you can define a string in JavaScript. Now I have a question for you. What is the type of this? 5 is a number, okay? But what if I just put it inside double quotations? What do you think? Is it a number or a string? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to think about it. 5 is a number, but anything you put inside those 2 quotations mark, it becomes string. Let me show you. Just paste here. Look, the type of this is a string. If we just remove them, it became a number. If we just add them, it became a string. If you are confused or something between those data types, don't worry. We're gonna talk about each data type in a separate lesson. In next lesson, we're gonna talk about only numbers, and we're gonna make calculations using numbers.